Andrew here and welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable unknown tracker on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. So you want to go to your settings guys, and you want to scroll down to where you have safety and emergency. Then at the bottom you will see unknown tracker alerts. So you want to tap on that. If in case yours is off, you want to toggle that to the right to enable the unknown tracker alerts. Right? This is important, guys, because this will allow you to detect if there is an unknown tracker traveling with you. So you'll easily get a notification there. And keep in mind that this alert will be deleted after 48 hours. You can see that mine last scanned yesterday. So you know that you get a frequent scanning if there is any tracker around your area. You can also go ahead and do a manual scan by simple scan, and this will do a quick scan to see if there's any unknown tracker around you or traveling with you. So guys, I really hope that you found this useful, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question, and on top of that, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to become a part of this small little growing community. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.